But D.C. Fire says that lightning hit an apartment building in Northeast late this afternoon, part of the roof damaged. Our Dave Laval joins us live from the Eckington neighborhood where this happened. Dave, several problem spots today from this weather.
Yeah, no question about it, Ben. Lightning hit the chimney of this apartment building, according to D.C. Fire and EMS. Good news is it appears there's very little damage and no one got hurt. Firefighters responded to the building at the corner of 3rd Street Northeast and U Street around 3 o'clock this afternoon. Building inspectors also got called to check the building for other damage. People who live in it told us they suffered none. Besides the lightning, we also had a couple of flash floods along New Hampshire Avenue near Catholic University in the district and on northbound DC 295 just over the PG County line. Fortunately, those waters have long receded. Meanwhile, the weather continues to impact air travel in and out of the DMV. Reagan National Airport reports delays of up to 2 hours in some cases because of the storms, not just the ones we experienced earlier, but in other parts of the country. Dulles International, meanwhile, has delays of up to 1 hour. We're live in the Eckington neighborhood in Northeast. Dave Laval, DC News Now.
Glad no word of any